Ethereum value expectation outline. Ongoing information shows Ethereum generally is exchanging at $2,102.15. Incredibly. Our Ethereum in every practical sense, long-haul figure for 2050, recommends ETH possibly running somewhere in the range of $257,619.15 and $271,012.20. So Ethereum value expectation synopsis. Ongoing information shows Ethereum especially is exchanging at $2,102.15, which generally is genuinely huge. Ethereum, ETH, basically is gauged to basically arrive at a really normal cost of $0.0000024 toward the finish of 2025, which explicitly is very critical. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Ethereum in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $42,091.29 mark in an essentially significant manner. Ethereum, ETH, really is expected to basically arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $191,441.76 constantly 2040, genuinely further appearance how Ethereum, ETH, for the most part is estimated to generally arrive at a kind of typical cost of $0.0000024 toward 2025 in an unobtrusive manner's end. Starting around 02 December 2023, Ethereum basically is exchanging at $2,102.15 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.12% in truly most recent 60 minutes. So starting around 02 December 2023, Ethereum by and large is exchanging at $2,102.15 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.12% in truly most recent 1 hour in a sort of huge manner. ETH especially has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $252,753,387,347, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,334,864,204, which basically shows that Ethereum, ETH, truly is expected to sort of arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $191,441.76 continuously 2040. By and large further appearance how Ethereum, ETH especially is gauged to sort of arrive at a for the most part normal cost of $0.0000024 toward the finish of 2025, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. This most certainly makes Ethereum, ETH, sort of positioning at 2 in the digital money market, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2040, what will Ethereum truly be for the most part worth in 2040 in an unpretentious manner? Is Ethereum a genuinely wise speculation or in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2040, which basically is very critical? Will ETH cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking high, which truly is very critical? These generally are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum, ETH value expectation 2040, as per the Ethereum figure cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the ETH value sort of is supposed to fundamentally cross a genuinely normal value level of $2,247.91, the normal especially least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to really be $2,144.98 in a very significant manner. Besides, ETH can explicitly arrive at a very greatest value level of $2,309.67, which especially shows that Ethereum, ETH, truly is expected to in every practical sense arrive at a fundamentally most extreme cost of $191,441.76 constantly 2040. Exceptionally further appearance how Ethereum, ETH, explicitly is gauged to in every practical sense arrive at a sort of typical cost of $0.0000024 toward the finish of 2025, which all things considered is very huge. Ethereum, ETH value expectation November 2023. The cost for Ethereum in November 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $1,976.18 and $2,223.21, which basically is very critical. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $2,161.45, exceptionally further appearance how ETH has a kind of complete market cap of $252,753,387,347, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,334,864,204, which generally shows that Ethereum, ETH, basically is expected to generally arrive at a really most extreme cost of $191,441.76 continuously 2040. Exceptionally further appearance how Ethereum, ETH, in every practical sense, is estimated to essentially arrive at an in every practical sense, normal cost of $0.0000024 toward 2025 in an unobtrusive manner's end. Ethereum value expectation December 2023. Ethereum value sort of is supposed to for the most part reach between $2,144.98 to $2,309.67 in December 2023, while the truly normal cost of ETH for the December in a real sense stays around $2,247.91. Ethereum truly passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally has been especially diminished by 0.53% in its especially current worth in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we fundamentally analyze the genuinely current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap truly is likewise down. Showing how our Ethereum kind of long-haul conjecture for 2050 proposes ETH possibly going somewhere in the range of $257,619.15 and $271,012.20. So Ethereum value expectation outline ongoing information shows Ethereum in every practical sense is exchanging at $2,102.15, which really is very huge. From genuinely most recent 7 days the ETH by and large was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.24%, so Ethereum, ETH by and large is estimated to truly arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $0.0000024 toward 2025 in an in every way that really matters, huge ways end. Ethereum truly has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute, by and large further appearance, how in the event that we really look at the very current market cap of the ETH with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap basically is likewise down. Showing how our Ethereum genuinely long-haul estimate for 2050 proposes ETH possibly running somewhere in the range of $257,619.15 and $271,012.20, so Ethereum value expectation synopsis constant information shows Ethereum fundamentally is exchanging at $2,102.15 in a significant manner. Ethereum value conjecture 2040 facts what will truly be Ethereum essentially worth in 2040, which most certainly is genuinely huge. The ETH cost fundamentally is determined to explicitly arrive at a very greatest degree of $2,309.67 with in every practical sense, least cost of $2,144.98 toward the finish of 2040. Showing that